Artificial intelligence is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and its footprint on the education sector is undeniable. With AI-driven technologies, we have seen the proliferation of online learning platforms, smart classrooms with interactive whiteboards, and virtual tutors that personalize the learning experience for students. However, this begs the question, can AI truly replace teachers? In this video, we will delve into the pros and cons of AI in education and reveal the shocking truth about its potential to replace teachers. 5 keywords. 1. Artificial intelligence in education. 2. Online learning platforms. 3. Virtual tutors. 4. Teacher replacements. 5. Pros and cons of AI. Intro. Welcome to this video on Can AI Replace Teachers? Shocking truth revealed. Artificial intelligence has already proven itself as a game changer in many industries, and the education sector is no exception. In this video, we will investigate the potential of AI to replace human teachers and analyze its pros and cons. So, let's dive into the topic. When you think about your school days, what is the first thing that comes to mind? For most of us, it's the image of our teachers. We all had that one teacher who left an indelible mark on our lives, someone whose guidance and mentorship helped us grow and succeed. But what if I told you that there could be a day when the teacher standing in the classroom is not human but an AI-powered robot? It may sound like an episode from a science fiction movie, but the truth is, AI is already transforming the way we learn. From online platforms that offer courses on everything from mathematics to music, to virtual tutors that respond to student inquiries and offer personalized feedback, AI is redefining education. But this leaves us with the question, can AI truly replace human teachers? Pros and cons of AI in education. Pros. There are certainly some benefits to using AI in education. For instance, virtual tutors can provide personalized feedback to every student irrespective of the class size. This means that all students can receive individual attention and additional guidance to learn at their own pace. AI can also help identify students who are struggling and offer targeted interventions before the problem becomes too severe. This ensures that all students have access to the resources they need to succeed. In addition, AI-powered technologies like interactive whiteboards and smart classrooms enhance the teaching and learning experience, making it more engaging and meaningful for students. Cons. However, there are concerns about the use of AI in education, especially its potential to replace human teachers. One of the primary concerns is the loss of interpersonal communication and relationship building between students and teachers, which is critical to fostering the emotional and social development of students. Another concern is the accuracy and transparency of AI algorithms. Many education experts question the validity of AI-based assessments and grading systems, which may perpetuate biases and lead to inaccurate evaluations of student performance. Furthermore, there is a risk of potential job losses for human teachers if AI replaces them, leading to unemployment and creating a wealth of societal and economic issues. We've explored the pros and cons of AI in education and its potential to replace human teachers. While the use of AI can certainly enhance the teaching and learning experience, it's unlikely to replace human teachers entirely. There is no denying that teachers play an essential role in the intellectual, emotional, and social development of students, a role that AI can never replicate. I hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. Please leave your comments and share your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and until next time, goodbye.